Ship Engine Delivery Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get shipping software wrong. They assume integrating multiple carriers is complicated and slow. The surprising truth about Ship Engine is that it simplifies multi-carrier shipping for e-commerce businesses, and you won't believe how much time it can save. Here's how it works. Ship Engine provides an API and dashboard to manage shipping across carriers like UPS, FedEx, USPS, DHL, and more. Businesses can generate labels, track packages, and automate shipping workflows from a single platform. For example, an online retailer managing hundreds of daily orders could automatically select the best shipping option based on cost and delivery speed. Ship Engine calculates rates, generates labels, and updates tracking information without manual intervention. Most people get this wrong. They assume multiple shipping providers mean multiple platforms, but Ship Engine consolidates everything seamlessly. Additional features include batch label printing, address validation, shipment tracking, and analytics for shipping costs and delivery times. Users appreciate the flexibility, integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, and robust reporting tools. However, there are considerations. Pricing depends on shipment volume, and developers may need some technical knowledge to fully utilize the API. Most people assume setup is instant, but taking the time to integrate properly ensures long-term efficiency. In conclusion, Ship Engine is ideal for e-commerce businesses looking to streamline shipping, reduce errors, and gain insights into delivery operations. It's a smart solution for saving time and improving customer satisfaction. Subscribe for more honest reviews of logistics and delivery software.